Waypoint towards the back of the field, but travelling extremely well. The race unfolded from the top of the hill.
Sayfars lad for Martin Pipe and Jonathan Lauer in the lead from Green Willow in second. Third is Serene Prince under pressure. Dutch Call comes next. Travel John is still making good progress, and Lumberjack coming there with Night Oil. Morley Street going well in behind the lead, but Sayfars lad still leads as they race towards the third last. Sayfars lad from Night Oil going well. Lumberjack, Serene Prince on the inside. And then comes Trapper John still making progress. Green Willow's under pressure on the far side. Sayfars lad has the advantage as they come down towards the second last. Sayfars lad from Trapper John under pressure in second. Then Night Oil and Lumberjack and Green Willow. Morley Street making ground towards the outside. Sayfars lad is clear though as they race round the home turn. With just one flight left to jump in the Sunner Line hurdle. Morley Street is putting in a challenge, but Sayfars lad is clear of Trapper John and Morley Street as they come down to the last. Trapper John is making steady progress. Loose horse could interfere here with the leaders. Sayfars lad lands in the lead from Trapper John on the near side. It's Sayfars lad and Trapper John following the last with Celtic Ball coming down to the final 150 yards. Sayfars lad holding Trapper John. Morley Street back in third. Night Oil four as they race to the line. Sayfars lad from Trapper John and Sayfars lad is going to win it down as well. It's Sayfars lad from Trapper John second. Third was Night Oil and four was Morley Street. Five came Green Willow.
Sayfars lad the winner at 12 to 1. Trapper John second at 20 to 1. Night Oil third, 33 to 1.